Ever feel that pit in your stomach when you're not quite sure if you have enough money in your account to cover a purchase? Let's dive into Chase Bank's overdraft policies and learn how to avoid those dreaded fees. First, let's understand what overdrafting actually means. It happens when you try to make a purchase or payment that exceeds your available account balance. Chase, like most banks, has specific rules and fees associated with this, so paying attention is crucial. Now, how does Chase handle overdrafts? They offer different options. One is Chase Standard Overdraft Coverage. With this, Chase may choose to pay your overdrafts, but they are not obligated to. If they do, you'll be charged an overdraft fee, up to 3 times per day. Speaking of fees, they can be hefty. As of today, Chase's overdraft fee is $34 per item. Keep in mind, Chase's policies can change, so always check their official website for the most up-to-date information, which is linked in the description. Next, let's look at overdraft protection options. Chase offers several ways to avoid these fees altogether. You can link your checking account to a savings account or credit card. If you overdraw, Chase will transfer funds from the linked account to cover the transaction, usually for a smaller fee or even for free, based on the account. Another great way to prevent overdrafts is by actively monitoring your account. Use the Chase mobile app or online banking to check your balance frequently. Set up alerts to notify you when your balance is low. Knowledge is power. Finally, consider Chase Secure Banking. This account is designed to help you avoid overdraft fees, as it typically won't allow transactions that would overdraw the account. It's an option to explore if you frequently struggle with overdrafts. By understanding Chase's overdraft policies and taking advantage of the protection options available, you can stay in control of your finances and avoid those costly surprises. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful banking tips.